Hey there, how are you? I just want to show this up. I'm a pretty new Mac user. I've been using Mac for only a few months, but I've been a PC user for quite a while, more than a decade, and few things I feel Mac is really strange. For example, if I'm on the Finder, for example, in a different app altogether, I can move my mouse and I can scroll it just like Windows. Windows allows this, and this is pretty good. And say if I want to select something in behind, it doesn't go and select. You can see that mouse cursor is not changing to hand tool now. Or I cannot select the text. When you see here, I cannot directly click behind the scene and select the text. But when I'm on the screen, I can do this. So every time if I want to do something on the other window, I have to first do a first click and then do something on that window. And strangely, if I try to click here, you see what happens. It will still trigger that. That's something unexpected. I would not expect that to behave in one way at some spots and other way in other spots. It's total confusion to me. How do you see this? If you're a long Mac user, probably you would have tackled this already. Or is that way it is and you have adapted to it? How do you feel?